London Blackfriars International, Finsbury Park, Stevenage, Hitchin, Wolsey, Biggleswade, Sandy, St Neots, Huntingdon, and Peterborough.
Yep, that's where I'm heading today.
Why not tell you? Why not call Obai? If you don't get to say, why not call Obai?
Off we go.
Well, they're waiting for what? Why for what? Did they set right now?
Off we go. Here we come. Biggleswade.
Well, they didn't have the gates like Omotsi. No, we're waiting at the thing. We're not time follow me too. I think they're at the gates. Like we'll come Obai, then Obai go with them. No, Obai say we are waiting so they. Yeah. Then Obai will set up. They will put you on.
Yeah, so done.
They can't talk to Obai. No, I just let them talk to you first. So let in the bobo tell them. Say like he can wait na normally. They can wait na normally. Obai they can wait and let them to go together to something. Yeah, and they call Obai. So at least they'll get an idea of waiting to make one. Yeah.
Horsham to Peterborough.
We'll shortly be arriving at City Thameslink. Exit here for St Paul's Cathedral. The doors will open automatically at the next station.
Yeah, it's automatic train. So it's automatic between Blackfriars and until you reach normally get the fun of it both of them coming in, but due to there was going to collapse, I didn't want to film it. So whiskey always comes first.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This station is City Thameslink. This train terminates at Peterborough. We will be calling at Farringdon, London Blackfriars International, Finsbury Park, Stevenage, Hitchin, Wolsey, Biggleswade, Sandy, St Neots, Huntingdon, and Peterborough.
Yeah, we're changing trains to Blackfriars again all the time during so. Well, lots of work going on there. As deciding to turn back trains.
We will shortly be arriving at Farringdon. Change here for the Circle, Hammersmith and City and Metropolitan lines. The doors will open automatically at the next station.
There's lots of weird numbers trying to call me.
Really?
Yep, there's no Peterborough train. 11:11, so.
Please mind the
See,
gap
London
between the train
St
and the
Pancras
platform.
International,
This station is
Finsbury Park,
Farringdon.
Stevenage, all stations into. You name it. Like
This train
hometown.
terminates at Peterborough. We will be calling at London Blackfriars International, Finsbury Park, Stevenage, Hitchin, Alsey, Biggleswade, Sandy, St Neots, Huntingdon and Peterborough.
Yeah, well, I'm still fighting for the Earth. Just so that there's some. Oh, you just want to know what that weird numbers? Yeah. Don't. I'm on YouTube, so I'll do this for fun. Now we've got loads of YouTube videos from my drive now. I think it's time we will clear them up and start again from scratch. Yeah, the Metropolitan joins a bit. We're now approaching St King's Cross Thameslink. This was originally a station here, but it closed in 2007. So to be open St London St Pancras International. So now King's Cross Thameslink now is another of those abandoned stations, which trains no longer stop here anymore now. I mean, I went here once, a couple of years ago. I think it was back in 2006 or 5, I think it was. I don't know, somewhere about then. I was at the Abbey and then I just put it shy because of what happened to that incident.
Shortly be arriving.
I just thought myself, wait until everything's all sorted again. Everything seemed to be alright, so.
Services, including Eurostar services to mainland Europe. Also change here for the Circle, Hammersmith City, Metropolitan, Northern, Piccadilly and Victoria lines. Exit here for London King's Cross and the British Library.
Oyster and contactless payments may only be used on certain routes and at specific stations. Please check the route maps by the entrance doors for full information.
Yeah, now we're on
The doors will
platform
open
B.
automatically at the next station.
Chewy, a lump of B. Bumblebee, evil bumblebee, bumblebee. Lucky for me, I don't have to worry about visit Blackfriars very often. I was only changing trains there.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This station is London St Pancras International. This train terminates at Peterborough. We will be calling at Finsbury Park, Stevenage, Hitchin, Alsey, Biggleswade, Sandy,
That's quite
St
great.
Neots,
So,
Huntingdon
let's go along.
and Peterborough.
One thing I really enjoyed was shows and like, we're here now, so it's good. And we're not here yet, did we? So. After we pass the unultimate, now we're choosing now less ultimate, aren't we supposed to? There was a weird number, so I didn't know who it was, and it was. Then we're taking the sea line. We're taking the branch line. We're going to join the East Coast Main Line. Yep, again, it's the underpass, so. Oh yeah. Imagine I did work the night shift. Now we're in daylight now. And just now, you can see the East Coast Main Line joined us now for the journey to Biggleswade. Yeah, we're now on the East Coast Main Line now. See, it's no longer automatic now. It was one point. No, we're not. It's now normal mode now. All the way. It's now returning to normal now. We're turning to Peterborough. Just like the episode of Batbank. You probably know that one, viewers. Come in, can you see the thing? Do you remember Batbank? You don't remember Batbank? If I see him today at Biggleswade, and I'll ask him, are you going to do any steam tolls again? Probably not actually now, because the price is going up. I'm not going to pay for that. Do you normally pay the normal price when it was normal prices? Yeah. What are they doing to it? I don't know. Did you ever call them to find out what the club's going on, or just they have no idea either? No idea either, unfortunately. Fair enough. Just like the episode of Simpsons episode. Do you remember the kids were being spying on Comic Guy's Secret Stash? Oh yeah, I remember that. But I'm not a huge fan of anyone now. Oh, you're not a huge fan of Simpsons? I'm welcome, but I
will shortly be arriving.
I would like to call my feedback.
Finsbury Park.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Change here for Piccadilly and Victoria lines. A light here for services to Moorgate. Exit here for the Emirates Stadium.
Yeah.
Oyster and contactless payments may only be used on certain routes and at specific stations. Please check the route maps by the entrance doors for full information.
Those are sort of more like zoomers. They're not fit for purpose, those trains. And one guy I was talking to who was driving the 91 today from London King's Cross to Edinburgh, he was only going past Doncaster. He told me about them and it's not fit for purpose. Oh, that's nice to be a hilltop opposite the train station. Well, I can't imagine. Here we are now at Finsbury Park station. All the island clubs intact. Mostly are regular use. $717 that side, And 717 is. So there's one there, just a horrible Zoom. Going into London. I'm not ready to go back on them just yet after that incident what happened. Maybe one day I will.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Here we are.
This station is Finsbury Park.